Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So action here stands really fast and market gradually is coming to our major resistance. So this is weekly chart where we have the approximately 63, 64, 50 resistance area, so a rather strong area on the weekly. This is two levels, few levels from the different reaction points. So as we explained previously, 30% retracement stands from this top to this low, while 618 stands from this top to this low, and they coincide in the one point. At the same time, this is natural support resistance zone, as you can see on the Bitcoin market. Historically, this is previously was support here. Now it's support. This will be resistance. And market gradually is coming, and it's already slightly taste this area already, because top was around 63.37. So it's mostly, we could say that this first touch of this area already has happened. So it means that if you have the long position, especially if you trade on the daily chart, on the weekly, this is the point where it makes sense to either think about the profit taking or at least partially close the position in tight stops. So manage your trade here because market stands very close. On the daily, we do not see something really new. Indeed, our suggestion was correct. The market is continuing to move higher because, as we said, no barriers exist till the major resistance. Daily overbought stands even higher than these levels in 66. So currently we do not need this actually area, and nothing really special we have here on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, here we have the acceleration up again. In the market, maybe that was the reason of the testing, stopping of this upward direction was the reason why the market stops here, testing of the weekly resistance. And now we could keep an eye on this situation. This is our hourly chart on the Bitcoin. So take a look. Market again shows the acceleration. Yesterday, we haven't got the deep retracement, but only the 30% pullback. So yesterday, if you remember, we talked about the multiple godless triple twos, then was forming inside of this channel. We said, well, maybe if market will continue in the same way with another triple two could be formed, but that was only the 30% retracement, not ABCD retracement, and the market accelerate further. Currently, guys, when the market stands at important resistance, it doesn't mean that it will shows the fast reversal and starts dropping. Usually, it coiling around the top for some time around the resistance, trying to break it within the few times, because previous upward momentum is bullish and it's rather strong. That's why hardly it will be kind of the V-shaped retracement. The market was just going down, and this is could be useful for scalp traders, for the traders who trade on intraday charts, because currently you could watch for some minor pullback and watch for another attempt to market to return to the previous top. For example, you could keep an eye on the possible 30% pullback back to the channel support. This will be also the 30% support area, and your trade will be back to the tops. So major part of the position should be closed around the same top, because that, guys, also the first testing on the weekly resistance. Maybe market could move slightly higher inside of this area, but that's the area where you start thinking about taking closing your position. So that's what we see right now on the Bitcoin market. Currently, we probably will be focused on market behavior around the major weekly resistance. So what will be formed here, whether we will get some bearish valuable patterns that could lead us to make more reasonable trade down on the first reaction on this weekly. And probably this pattern should be significant scale, because this weekly chart, so something we should see on the daily chart as well. So that will be really interesting.